welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment down below what you guys want to see from me. I just wanted to say Happy New Year's, you guys. I didn't post New Year's like type of nail set because I didn't have any time to record one, so I'm sorry for that, but hopefully today's nail set will make up for that. We're just gonna get straight into this video. So today I have this Gershon kit. They sent me this kit for free, so thank you so much, Gershon, for sending me this kit. We're just gonna unbox it right now. It actually comes with 2 dual forms, so that's pretty good. I don't know if it was a mistake or something, but that's really good. Then we have some double thick nail forms, which is really nice. If you guys also want to see a video on this, I would actually love to do nail forms, so just comment that down below. It comes with rhinestones, which is actually a plus because not a lot of kits come with rhinestones. So then it comes with some cute butterflies. Then it comes with their thank you card, and then it comes with an instruction manual. So it comes with a 100-180 grit nail file, base coat and top coat, slip solution, which is also a nail surface cleanser, and then it comes with 6 polygels, and we're just gonna get straight into the swatching. So the first color it comes with is clear. Then it comes with like this glitter pink color. Next it comes with this light glitter pink color, this blue glitter color, a darker pink glitter color, which is actually really cute. And then the last color is this purple glitter color. So these are all the swatches of all the colors, you guys. This color looks super clear to me right now. Like I don't know, like it just looks super clear right now. We're just gonna get straight into this nail set. So today I'm gonna be doing this nail set on my dominant hand, which is gonna be really hard. I want to get better on doing my dominant hand, so yeah. First I'm gonna start off by pushing back the cuticles with my cuticle pusher. I'm gonna go in with this bit right here to just remove all the dead cuticles from my nail plate. Please do not mind all this like black stuff on my nails. That is actually ink. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my sanding band and remove the shine from my nails. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my nippers, my cuticle nippers, and nip off all my excess cuticle. I just moved on to using my cuticle scissors because it's so much harder to do your dominant hand. Like I forgot how hard it was. Like I'm over here struggling. I'm gonna go in with my nail clippers, my straight edge nail clippers, and just clip off my excess nail growth. And I'm just gonna take my hand file and I'm just going to smooth the edge out. I'm gonna take this last circle bit and I'm just gonna go around my cuticles and make sure I get all that excess cuticle that I just didn't cut. All right, so these are how my nails look. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the tips now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my straight edge nail clippers and cut these nails. Now I'm gonna take my sanding band and remove the shine from these nails. I'm gonna go in with some acetone and a lint-free wipe, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use that as my dehydrator. Now I'm gonna go in with my Young Nails primer. So today I'm going to be using this nude color. It's called I Siesta from the McCart Nude French Nude Kit. Yeah, I'm going to be using that as my V-shape thingy. So we're just going to get started. Oh, and by the way, guys, this actually did come in the Gershon kit. I didn't show you guys because I actually used the Gershon kit prior. But it does come in the kit, so yeah. So I have my slip solution here and my napkin here. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the bead on near my cuticle. Oh, we're just gonna get on to the next finger. I'm just taking some of the Gershon's Nail Surface Cleanser. I'm just gonna wipe off the tacky layer. So these are how the nails look. I'm gonna go ahead and take my nail file and sharpen up these V's because they are looking super crooked right now and super bad, like, and bulky. So we're just gonna straighten those up. Alright, you guys, so these are the nails all straightened up and stuff. I didn't go over the top part because I don't want to thin them out before I put in the other polygel, so we're just gonna do that right now. I think I'm gonna go in with some Gershion Clear, and then some Rosalind glitter polygel. This one's really nice, as you guys can see. It looks really cute. And I'm just going to put that all over the tip of my nail. So I am done with all these nails, you guys, finally. I'm just gonna take some lint-free wipe, and then I'm just gonna take the rest of this soap solution and I'm gonna wipe off the tacky layer. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start filing them. As you guys can see, I have like a lot of air bubbles, like a lot in the nude area, but hopefully when I file them, the bubbles are gonna come out. But we're just gonna start by filing. So I'm using this safety bit. I just got it from Amazon. All right, so these are how the nails look after I'm done filing them and smoothing them out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and buff them. So I decided not to put gems, but I am going to put some top coat on the shiny, the glitter part of the nail, and then on the V part, which is like the nude part, I'm just gonna put some matte top coat and see how that looks. So I have some matte top coat here. This is not really the best matte top coat, but we're just gonna have to do what we have because I didn't get my top coat didn't come in the mail yet, so yeah. I'm just gonna take some Vito's top coat and I'm just gonna put it on the rest of the nail, which is the glitter part of the nail. And then I'm just gonna take this brush and then kind of clean it up. I'm gonna go ahead and put top coat underneath the nails too. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some cuticle oil. So these are how the nails turned out, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, just hit that subscribe button and don't forget to comment down below what other nail sets you guys want me to do. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy New Year, you guys. 2021. Hope it's better than 2020 because 2020 was not the year. But thank y'all so much for watching this video. Bye, y'all.